back to another one, guys. So today's gonna be a little bit different. I'm actually colliding two videos together because we didn't really shoot enough to really make a whole video on just one hunt. So we're actually putting two videos together. One of them's a flooded field, kind of like a flooded field hunt. It's the backside of a creek that flooded into a field. And then the other one is an actual field hunt. Well, I found a bunch of geese and several mallards in it, and the geese never showed up. I sat on it for a week, decided to hunt some timber the day before, and the geese was there, and then the day after we hunted the geese and they were gone. So bit that one in the butt. But anyways, I'll let this video start rolling. Y'all know what to do. Smash that thumbs up button and subscribe, and thank y'all very much. Hope y'all enjoy. What's going on, guys? Welcome back again. Today we're going duck hunting again. We're going to do a little evening hunt. I got off work early, so we're gonna go try to hunt. My cousin's wanting to go, so I'm not really sure where we're gonna go yet. I've got a few spots picked out. I'm gonna go look around and see. We got old best girl with us today. Hey, you ready? Are you ready to go? Nosy, yeah, she's ready. So, yeah, I know. But anyways, I'll let y'all know what we decide and where to go here in a little bit. So I'll see y'all back here in a minute. All right, guys, so we're set up here. Let me show you the decoys. Setting up in this little pocket here, running down this creek. It's kind of overflowed into a cornfield. We jumped probably 10 or 15 of them as we're walking in, and already seen probably a couple three groups flying around. So they're definitely up. Hey, is that a duck in front of us? Hey, duck in front. Hey, get ready. See it? Well, he was, oh, hey, he's about to say he just dropped down. Bessie, stay. Holy go. Oh shit. All of me's wet. Oh god.
Are you rolling footage right now?
Yeah. Oh, that hurt. I thought it was shallow. Oh my god. That broke all of me. Where'd they come from? Good dog, here. Good girl. Come on, up. Here.
Good girl.
Good. Here.
Come out.
Bessie, here. Here, good. I just hit the record button too. Good dog, here. Come on. Hey, we just sit down. Good girl, here.
Come right over our heads though.
Good, here. Good girl, come on. Back. Good girl. Good. Alright guys, so I hope I just got that on camera. I was doing my intro, got everything set up. I went to walk behind this log to sit down, and I fell in, and it's deep. I went all the way up to my neck, so I'm wet. And then I got back up here, getting situated, and two guide walls just dumped in, and then they're just floating right in. Old best girl went and got them. So the wind's ripping right now, probably 15-20 miles an hour. So hopefully it's gonna be a good hunt. There's a bunch of birds starting to fly, so let's see what we can do. Whew. All right, guys, so that was a long, cold, miserable hunt. The wind was blowing so hard. we only shot 2 gadwalls, and then I was trying to take pictures with Best with them and didn't have my gun, and a mallard come in and just a single, and I couldn't get to the gun fast enough, and he took off. That gum. But anyways, so I only got 2, short hunt. I don't eat much, but at least something. So y'all make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll bring y'all another one here soon. Hopefully I got a spot check. I can't talk. I've got a spot checked out, and I'm planning on hunting it Tuesday if I can get off work. So hopefully that'll be a pretty good hunt, and I'll bring y'all back whenever we go hunt. So thanks for watching. Good morning, guys and gals. It is New Year's Day, January 1st, 2020. Coming at you, starting the year off right with a duck goose combo. There, I found several geese and ducks in a little flooded field. So hopefully it'll be pretty good. This bird's been on there for about a week straight, and hopefully they come right in. It's pretty cold right now. It's at about 29, coldest it's been in a while here, to be honest. Well, it's been hot. I'm tired. Kicking on about an hour of sleep here, but you know, it's 4:50, and it was a late night last night because New Year's Eve. So anyways, y'all know what I'm getting at. I don't have Bessie Girl today. She's a little small for geese. I practiced with her at the house. She can't carry them. She's too small. So we're going without her today. So I'm gonna miss her, but you know, we'll make it work. So enough jabbing, and I'll see y'all here in a little bit. All right, guys. So we got the decoy set out and the blind all brushed in, looking like a hay bale. Got old Casey Lyles with us again today. And got Connor. Connor! There he is.
Wait, you started this trial with the other guy back there.
Shut up. Got the goose decoy set out. I'll show you whenever it gets a little bit lighter. And we got some ducks in a puddle here. It's kind of made a V formation. Hopefully they'll come in right in here for the kill hole. And Skylar's over yonder. He forgot his chair, so he's looking for a cinder block or something. So, newbie. So, anyways, we got about 15 minutes till shooting on, so hopefully we'll see y'all in a little bit with some geese. Yep. Ready? Kill him. Huh?
Oh yeah, let Casey call the shot. Or don't let Casey.
Yeah, that was a little far, Hoss.
Fire.
It's Casey.
Alright, they're coming back around.
I'll call it. Let them land.
Hey, watch your cousin. Don't look up.
Let them join. There's some more. Hey, you want to let a couple land?
Yeah, we can, but if they jump up, shoot them. Alright, we got 6 coming. Alright, here they come.
Let them land or almost land. It's next fucking time at Pop Joe.
Watch the cousin.
Hey Connor, out.
Hey, shut right here. You call it. Coming right over the top of us. Don't look up.
Let them do something. Let them work. They'll fucking fall down right on top of us.
Picking us apart though. Yeah, we need to shoot them when we can. You call it right here. Oh, you would have got shot. Yeah. Right here. They're low enough to swing back around wild. You're not selfish. Let you call the shots. Probably could have got a couple, but right here. No, wait. Only I could have got a shot. You two should have shot right here on him. Kill these two. Yeah. Kill. Fellas. No, we didn't. No. What? That one is hurting.
Was that
look, that one just went down over there.
Yeah. Hey, go get that duck. Quack at him, Cody. He's coming right in.
Let Connor
Right in front of us, Connor. You see it? Okay. He's about to land.
Take him, Connor.
Kill him.
I got it.
Yeah, go. There we go.
There you go.
Finally.
Yeah, they're right in front of you now.
Well, it didn't really go as I planned to, guys. A few ducks showed up. We should have shot on a group, but we thought they were going to work a little bit closer, and they never committed. So they just kind of circled and flew off, and it never worked. And these geese never showed up. I think they all migrated. This is the coldest day we've had in almost a month, probably. So I think a lot of the birds migrated. We didn't see as many flying around either, and didn't hear very much shooting. So pretty sure they migrated some, but oh well, that's how it goes. You know how it is. So, but anyways, make sure y'all like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Hopefully it's a little bit better hunt. So catch y'all later.